Well, good morning, everybody. Out here enjoying the morning by the lake and the coffee. Like I said, it's coffee time. But I will be back with you all in a little bit. I'm going to enjoy my coffee with you, and then we'll have a little chat. The fog is coming in. Ooh. Who knows what's in the fog? Creatures from outer space. This is something when you wake up in the morning and you can look out the window right from your bed, and this is what you see. And then you look out the side, and what do you see? More lake. And then you look out the front, and there's more lake. On this side, which would be like the driver's side, you got the woods. But if you look through the woods, through all those trees, you will also see the lake. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my God, this is a beautiful place to be. Now, I could honestly say, good morning, beautiful world. Now, when I woke up this morning, I'm assuming that's a pickup truck. I am not sure. But somebody is camping right out there. But that's okay. I've got my own beach and my own little area. You can't beat that. Oh gosh. I got my wind chimes out, as you all might hear. I got to clean up all of here. There's a lot of garbage on the ground. And I got big bags so I can pick them all up. And they do have garbage cans out here. Look, watch. I don't know if y'all can see it. There's a little bird there. But look at this. Isn't this something to wake up to? Wow, what a great pic. I guess this is going to be one of my favorites also. Got to look at this. I've just got down on the beachy area, but look, that's a dead tree, okay? Look at the roots. They're all out, but oh my God, that looks creepy. Look at that. I wish y'all could see it. I don't know how I can make it lighter. Maybe, I guess. Oops. Let me see if I can make it lighter for you. I don't know, but that is creepy looking. Wow. Oh, that's the roots. Wow. When you think this, wow. But look at the garbage. People just left garbage everywhere. Yeah, sure did. Yep. See, there's the roots. Oh, you can't see it. Dadgummit. I don't know why it's so dark. It's really not that dark in here. See if this is a little better. Right there's roots. That big tree there, there's the roots. There, maybe that's even a better view. It's really creepy looking though. Okay guys, I'm back. Well, yesterday we got the new storage unit so that we could actually put the trailer in the storage unit with all of the other stuff that I don't even know why we still have or why we're keeping, but we are. Emptied out the one we had before and put it all in the big one. And took care of everything that had to be taken care of. And now we're out here in a new area listening to different type of birds. Yep, although they all sound the same to me. So, one second. I got an itchy back. Oh, okay. But anyway, it was like maybe, what, a 3-hour drive here from where we were?
Around there,
Yeah, it was about a 3-hour drive.
Yeah.
And we were really fortunate to find this particular little site here. Because, I mean, we had just drove in here and just kind of looking around and spotted this one. And it has like a, I don't know, there. Actually, it's the rim to a tire. But they're using it. Well, that's okay. We could burn in that. But I noticed that and I thought, well, you know, this is a place to camp. So that's what we did. We camped here. Noah was just saying that across from us, that there's probably other camp sites out there. And more than likely, yes. They have dispersed here, but I think they also have like a recreational area. And it's like $2 a day. I think that's what I read.
That's the fee for the boat dock.
Huh?
That's the fee to put your boat in there.
Yeah, there's a place to launch your boat, and it does cost
It's
$2 a day. And other than that, there's dispersed here, and this is great. This is beautiful. It is part of the Sabine National Forest. And it is, I mean, honestly, it's breathtaking when you look out there. You can see Louisiana. Hello, Louisiana. I'll see you all later on. Not now. Anyway, we've been already in Louisiana, in and out. Yep. On the way over here, we stopped at one site, and we weren't getting no cell service whatsoever. I mean, it was like zilts. And I'm one of these that in case of emergency, I want to be able to get out. I want to be able to call if I have to call. So that was not really the place. And it wasn't really, I mean, it was okay. And it was just one spot we saw. It could really been nice in other areas, but we weren't happy about it. Neither one of us were. So we had both at one point or another read about this site. There's a boat going by. I guess they're going fishing. But we read on freecamping.net about this place. And Noah mentioned it, and I know I read it and I thought about it. It sounded okay. So we decided, okay, let's go. Let's go check it out. It wasn't that far from where we were, like 23 miles. And anyway, we decided to come here, and I am so glad we decided that. That was the great decision. I've got some, well, as you have seen, I put some video or clips out of when I got up this morning, what I saw from inside my bus. And then I walked you out here. But it's it's just a nice place to be at. It's a very relaxing place. And it's like I said earlier, uh, this is just going to be one of my favorite places. Okay, one of my many favorite places, but this definitely will be one of them. Oh yes, it's hot. Of course, it's summer. What do you want? No, we're not up north. And I would go up north, but the best I've seen my bus give me is 6 miles to the gallon. And I don't think I have enough money to go up north and then come back. So, no, up north is not going to be very likely for a while. But both Noah and I are from the south, and we're both used to this type of weather. So it's not that bad. And the sun, look, there's the sun. It's, oh, it's nice. But, so we're kind of used to it. The humidity, yes, it's thick. I agree, it is thick. But, you got to take the good with the bad. And I see more good than bad. So I think I'm pretty satisfied. So anyway, guys, till later. Peace. Air hugs. Stay safe.